Berlin! It's the first time. Wow, Christmas now is already here. Malami. What's it? It's Santa Claus. Design. Yes. Christmas na puriro. Gosh, I think this is the expensive mall here. Boss. Spot check. Tom Hilfiger. McCain. I know. It's so cost. Apollo. Ralph Lauren. we can, he can go there. Yeah? I'm sure I'm happy.
What's the matter? Clothes?
Explore lang namin to. It's the Mall of Berlin. Kami dito sa food court ng Mall Berlin. Ayan. So, what is that? And then this is our food. This is mine with shrimpy na may gulay na may kanin. Sarap. Tapos, what is that na love? Beef. Spicy with the noodles. And I have my BBQ. Matcha. So, yeah. Let's eat. Good appetit. Oh, there's a shrimp in here.
Yeah.
So, nandito na pala kami sa aming box. Box ang sabi ng asawa ko, box dito. Ayan, so kanina pa pala kami nandito. So nakapagpalit na ako ng damit. Tapos tinan niyo yung asawa ko, nakatulog na nga siya. Masakit kasi ulo niya. Sobrang lamig dito. Grabe. Sobrang lamig, lalo kayo ng gabi. Nagpunta kami ng pumunta kami kasi kanina diba ng Mall of Berlin. Sobrang lamig. Ganyan. So yun. Tapos di pa makapal yung jacket niya. Kasi ayaw niya kasi makapal yung jacket. Tapos lamig siya. Ayan, tinan niyo ngayon. Taller. So yun. So yes. Good night guys. See you tomorrow. Ito yung Guten Morgen. So yes, ang asawa ko. Lalabas kami ngayon. Ito yung aming day 2. Kaso lang maulan. It's raining, right? It's time. It's Malawi. Dito kami nag-breakfast and at saka Suchan. Breakfast time. It's fine. Dito kami sa harap ng Rusman. Sa baba lang to ng namin. Ng hotel. Tama kayo. It's big na labi. Loko.
Good?
Big. Maybe I need water. It's early in the morning with this. Later I'm going to drink it.
Water?
Please, thank you, Malawi. Oh, there's a big water here. Very big water. Oh. Yeah. Morning, people. We're here in the water station. Okay, wait. Yeah. Yan na. Okay, take boat. Yan, dumaan yung boat. Bagong gising na talaga. Currently naman. Wherever is the boat going, Malawi?
We make a drive on the complete to balloon.
Oh, okay. The tour.
Okay. We can the next booking.
Yay! Look at that. Yan na. The water station. What? This is the humble forum. Isn't this institute? And then, maraming iba tayo doon. We go down?
With the pen on it. Yeah, it's close.
Let's go.
It's close.
The other side. Ang laki-laki ng institute na ito. Institute. Colder. We go around this morning, very early in the morning. This is our view. Asawa ko nandun. Wow. Ang lamig-lamig ngayon, guys. Iba na ako ng damit, okay? Yellow na yan, oh. Yellow na yan. Pero syempre, isa lang yung jacket ko kasi hindi tayo magdadala ng jacket na madami. Dahil nga, maano tayo,
Nein, das hat es ja, wie gesagt, eine 5 lange, jeder kann mal krank sein.